What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 of my favorite foods and recipes that I use when I'm out on trail. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jeremiah Stringer, and here we talk about all things hiking and backpacking. So if you want more info, tips, tricks, hacks, then consider subscribing. Number 1 on my list is tortillas. And what you do with the tortillas, you take some pepperonis, you spread them out on there, and then I go with pepper jack cheese that I just shred up and lay on top of those pepperonis, roll it up, and you have a delicious meal. Number 2 on the list, stick with the tortillas, and then you can get as fancy as you want with it. I like to do peanut butter and Nutella, and I'll spread that on there. And then to give it a little crunch, check it out. Banana chips, you can crush those up, sprinkle them on there, or just leave them sliced up whole. Delicious. Who doesn't love peanut butter and chocolate combo? Number 3 on the list is the most simple recipe you can have. My favorite, Idahoan instant mashed potatoes. You can get these in all kinds of different flavors. This one, loaded baked potato. You can get 4 cheese. Those are delicious as well. Or you can just get classic. You can get chives in there, whatever you want. Now, before I show you number 4, I want you to comment below and tell me, what is your favorite food or trail recipe that you take? All right, number 4. You can get these in a bunch of different flavors as well. Nor pasta sides. Super simple. You boil water. You pour these in. You stir it up. Let it sit there for a little while. Delicious. Number 5, this one is a bit controversial. Now, the simple thing is you boil water, you pour in Spanish or Mexican rice, but the controversial part, some summer sausage. Now, I've had this refrigerated. We actually use it here at the house too, and some people don't want to mess with pork when they're out on trail, and I completely understand. So do your research and you do you. I like to take summer sausage, and after I cook that rice, I'll stir in some of that summer sausage. I'll slice it up with my knife and then dice it, throw it in there and cook it along with it, and it is delicious. But you got to remember, if that spoils, it can make you really sick. So I try to eat it, most of the time my wife's with me, so we'll eat that entire summer sausage in less than 24 hours. Guys, if you've enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for more if you want some info, tips, tricks, and hacks for backpacking. And kick that notification bell for the latest notifications. We'll see you guys in the next video. Don't wait.